Another feature in the Infrastructure Construction Edition is specifically with intersections is the ability to create a corridor, cul-de-sac. So basically you need an alignment or a corridor built, and on the corridors tab you'll find over by infrastructure you'll find create cul-de-sac. So I'm going to select that. It's going to ask me for an alignment or a corridor, so I'm going to pick this particular corridor here, and and then the beginning or end point is going to be the center of this circle, so I'm going to pick that. Now you can choose either a turning hammer or a circular cul-de-sac. So if I do a circular cul-de-sac and we'll give it a name, we'll call it cul-de-sac 1. Again, just like the other intersections, you can load from a properties template, and I'm going to click apply. And you'll see that it goes ahead and creates that corridor. And as you can see that it's basically tied to that that corridor. So the properties of the corridor, if we close that, we look at the properties, you'll see that you can come in and change the properties of the island, the turning method, the curve connection, the inner outer radiuses, the inner slopes, the outer slopes, and even the curb height for the center island of the cul-de-sac. So again, you have the choice to either do a hammerhead or a circular cul-de-sac.